Hi, my name is Kath and I work for Sally Holland, the Children's Commissioner for Wales. I'd like to share with you our right of the month for July, which is the right to relax and play. Some people think that playing is just for children. Some adults would disagree, but the good news is that young people only have got the right to relax and play. It doesn't stop everyone having the opportunity to relax, but it's an entitlement that young people have under the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child. So the question for you really, or the challenge is to think about as young people, not children, what do you do to relax? It isn't necessarily playing, it might be hanging out with friends. It is different ways you might spend your free time. What do you do that helps you have a sense of well-being? What helps you relax? What stops you from relaxing? And is there anything you can do to overcome this so you ensure that you access your right to relax and play? Share your views with other people. You can have a discussion about what stops young people from relaxing and playing, and how as a household or as a school or as a community you can make sure you get your right to relax and play.